SlowCast English, Episode 33, Making New Friends.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just arrived.
Welcome. What's your name?
I'm Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you like it here?
Yes, people are friendly.
That's good to hear.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
Maybe we can hang out sometime.
Sure.
A friendly introduction. Lily welcomes Tom, a newcomer from Canada. They exchange greetings and discuss their backgrounds, with Lily living nearby. The friendly conversation ends with plans to hang out together.
Thank you for your study. See you next time.